The file name is PyProject Toml already exists on root directory. Fraud detection. Go to check the file. PyProject Toml. Now we have to check the file and we need to correct below sentence in the file. It declares a section with requests the setup rules. We need to add the section. We need to add the build system section. The below comments. Now we have added the command as it is the given in the task. Then build backend setup tools build method. We need to add the method in the build system and the name is fraud reduction. Now we have check. Yeah, it is wrongly mentioned. Here, the symbol is not here mentioned, so we have copy and paste. We need to check everything. The version is 0.1.0. Wilson show change 0.1.0 and the request Python 3.10 version. We need to change 3.10 version and dependencies also we need to add. We need to add the below dependencies. Okay, we have added 3 dependencies. After we need to review existing PyProject. Everything will be changed. Now we can go to review existing file and we need to check the directory name. Yeah, we need to change the directory name cd root under fraud reduction. In the terminal we need to change the directory name. Code folder name. Now check the directory. Now we have changed the directory name. Now we have already installed Python, so we have to use the command. Now it was creating. Now it was creating the file. And as it has the dependencies. So now we have seen this folder. You can see the file was created. Now we can check the task. Thank you for watching.